It's like now I'm gonna break the fourth wall. We say something like.
And for you guys at home. We're here at Burwood Hotel and we're having the remainder of these nuclear fries down here and cocktail-based bubble teas. So I don't know if you guys have it wherever you're watching from, whether you're in America or Queensland, but basically these are all like bubble tea flavors mixed with like alcohol, so vodka, Yakult, that sort of stuff, and the best one is definitely the coffee. So if you guys ever want to make up your own cocktail with Kahlua and vodka and stuff, this is definitely the way to go. So we've got an aloe vera bubble milk tea, a Yakult and soju bubble milk tea again, and a espresso bubble milk tea. So tell us what's the best between the two?
Don't you taste the alcohol less in this one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that a good thing?
I think so.
Yeah, it's better mixed than the one you did.
So it's Bailey's,
Oh,
Kahlua.
it's better than mine.
Hell yeah.
Bailey's, Kahlua, and something else. It's in the menu.
It's
This
good.
one's really nice. This one's like alright, and I'd say this one's like the shittest.
That one actually is the shittest.
It's actually shit.
There's one more flavor we haven't tried yet, which is the tropical. It's
There was like-
I feel like it's not the tequila that's hitting that. I want to say it's the lime that's doing the sharpness. But like, I don't think that. Unless it's just the honey out of it. Maybe it is the tequila.
Tell me. You sound unimpressed.
Where does it rank?
Higher than that one.
Huh?
It's higher than that one.
Because that's easy to beat, I think.
And I think that might be it.
It's less shit, so it's better, definitely, but it doesn't come anywhere near this one.
That one's still. This one took me a shock.
Look, as long as your stomachs can handle the milkness.
Oh, that's alright.
Dude, you're eating milk and spicy, like, how much milk do you want to
Alright,
put?
yeah.
There's actually a lot.
I'm just gonna let it go.
I was even considering, should we like remove this and just chop some into this instead?
Ah, fuck you. Wait, be careful. Oh, good.
Oh, I can damage this. I don't know what's good. Dude, there's actually a lot in here. Because we just emptied a bit less than half, I want to say. You know what? Take it back, they're not too spicy. I kind of wish maybe the noodles weren't crispy.
I think part of what's making the spice not too bad is because it's dried up,
Yeah.
right?
You know what? I take it back, it is spicy. It just builds up. Not too spicy, it's just that I think it's on my lips.
This fucking thing again. Whoa.
Lisa, don't ruin this recording. Come
So
on.
You're recording?
yes. Do you mind?
Oh no, it's fine. I didn't even.
Shit about here. Makes the footage unusable.